We will make a control for the garage door or speed door or roll up door. So the concept is a forward and reverse motor control. So gagawin natin dito sa apps na to. So this is from the scratch until finish. So we will go for this menu, click the menu, workplace. So we'll go here, library. So we need a 3-phase supply. So just click this one. This is our 3-phase supply. And then let's go for rotation. We look for rotation. See rotate. So rotate. We'll rotate this one. And this one need to delete. It's duplicated. And then we look for we have contactor 3-phase. Dalawang magnetic contactor for forward and reverse. So let's put this one here. Ito naman yung isa. Library. Look for a breaker. Look for 3-phase. So this is a 3-phase magnetic circuit breaker. Tapos I'll go for 3-phase motor. Then we have fuse, single pole, and thermal overload. Saan hanapin natin yung thermal overload? So this is it. So try natin yan. So arrange muna natin. Naka-energize, naka-red, it means energize na yung line. Then we'll go try to turn on our open button, which is our open for the garage door. So nakita nyo clockwise rotation, so it means going up yung tawag natin yung roll up natin. So once makita nyo yung limit switch sa taas, itong S5, so mas-stop yung motor, ma-disengage yung control side dito sa open. So we need to press the close to disengage this open limit switch. So kapag ma-energize na yung close, ma-disengage to, babalik siya sa close position. So pag ma-reach naman yung bottom, ma-open tong close limit switch mo.